Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Today I remembered how Winnie Mandela never used to mince words. Jacinta is actually taking that direction. She's just like, whatever, you know? I khulumile shomo Jacinta. With her mouth, I was just like, wow. She's just like, I don't care. At the end of the day, Nam, this is my country. I am going to open my mouth and speak for those who feel ukuthi they don't have voices bayasaba ukhuluma ngoba bakhona laba maxoki like you've never seen umuntu okhona ngasho next uhlele nje ngapha nangapha she didn't means words. And then he went straight to njengoba nizovota votelana umuntu ekufanele nimvotele niyeke lo ni phandlwa abantu bani confused like you've never been confused. You must see the light. I was on the floor, bro. I was just like, wow.
Sacrifice your lives. You've taken time out of your businesses and your busy schedule, and you have come out and taken to the streets. I want you guys to give yourselves a huge round of applause. And we want to salute members of the creative industry who have been with us in this fight, even when some of them decided that they do not want to be seen as defending their own country because their bookings are more important. We want to salute you, Ayanda Ntanzi. We want to salute you, Mabetu Sintinga, Stamtosi, Malusi Mbogazi, Ntokozo Zagwe, TNS, Oscar Mbo. And we want to say that history will remember you as patriots who did not shy away from standing up for your country when the time was needed. We also want to thank all the political parties who have shown support today. Others said that they will not join us in our fight because we are victims. We are hooligans. We do not deserve to be heard when we cry. But we want to thank the following political. And I know some of you, why do you guys as much and much want to associate certain political parties? Let me explain it very simply. One, sifuna ukuthi seniyovota nani ukuthi who is with us and who is against us. So ningalenzi iphutha nenza umbhedo ngiyaphinda. Nivotele political parties who have made it clear that they are not with the people of South Africa. Second to that, we align with them because they sit in parliament, Tinashlale parliament. And if you want to change policies, umele ufake into ekuthiwa ama-motion. And when you put those motion, they can only come through members of parliament. So that's why to assist us in changing leyo mthetho leyo ekuyiyona esasicindezela even today. So we want to thank Action SA who's been with us, ATM who's been with us, the IFP who've been with us, the MK who are with us, the NFP who has been with us, Operation Tutula who has been with us, Africa Maibuye who has been with us, and we thank some members of the ANC like Panyaza Lesufi. Ngithe some. Phela ngimdlela umuntu amandlakhe. Thank those who have stood with us and have given us a message of support. We want to thank kakhulu uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natali. We want to thank the government, laba abasikhathi sabo bahlala nathi and actually listen listen to us. The likes of the Premier Tamintu, who has sat down, he even had a summit la efuna khona ukuzwa ukuthi yini kahle kahle lesikhala ngayo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sifuna ukubonga imeya yenkosi langalibalele uKhansela Umnyeza, who has been with us from the beginning. Sibonge ne-Deputy Minister ka-Home Affairs, i-Minister ka-Home Affairs, uLeon Schreiber, lokhu asiziba from day one. Kodwa ke u-Deputy Minister gave us an ear. Siyabonga ku-Deputy Minister uNjabulo Nzuza. And sifuna ukubonga kakhulu uGeneral KZN wamaphoyisa. Siyabonga kakhulu Ndonga. Siyabonga kakhulu Mkhwanazi. Siyabonga nokuthi nje usitreat njengabantu. Ungabe ukuthi uvele waba umuntu ofana nabanye abakuhulumeni abathi nje badedela izinja zisilume. Wena umile eqinisweni. Siyabonga Ndonga. Singamshiyi ngaphandle uMajor General Makhoba. Ngifisa ngathi ngabe niyambona lana ngimazana yini. uGeneral Makhoba uyisekela lakhe uGeneral Mkhwanazi, and ngisho singamfonela ngo-1 ebusuku, she's always willing ukuthi asize. Bonga kuGeneral Makhoba. Mr. Robert Nechunga wasuka Limpopo wathatha ngizodila nalamaZulu